This is a 2011 Toyota Corolla, and I'm going to show you how to wire up your fog lamps so that the fog lamps stay on when you flick your high beams on, and they call it Bambi mode. So on the passenger side behind the glove box entrance, right there is the daytime running light module. And what you want to do is you're going to cut this white wire that goes to your fog lamp relay, and this daytime running light module cancels out the ground that goes to that relay so that the fog lamps turn off when you flick your high beams on. We're going to take the white wire on the harness side, so tape off the connector side and put it to the side, and then we're going to take this white wire and we're going to splice it into the purple wire, which is the headlamp relay, which turns on the headlamps, and that supplies the ground to the headlamp relay. So what that will do is it'll make sure that you have a ground going to your fog lamp relay whether you're in the high beam or low beam position, and it won't matter. And you can still turn your fog lamps on and off independently of your headlamps. But at least when you throw your high beams on, your fog lamps will still stay on, giving you that extra light. Okay, so if you want to disable the daytime running light module so that your daytime running lights don't come on, it is the blue wire right above the pink wire. It's pin number 12, and it's that wire right there that I got my thumb on. And I've already cut it. And you might ask yourself, why would you want to disable the daytime running light module? Well, I'm going to put some LED headlights in this thing, and Toyota pulse width modulates the daytime running light down to like probably half the voltage of what they normally are, so that the bulbs last longer, so that you're not running full 12 volts to your daytime running lights all the time, and it just turns them on dimly. Well, the LEDs don't like that, and I've had LEDs in the past burn out because of that. The last one I did, the Toyota was pulse width modulating the daytime running lights, and it burnt out my one of my LED headlights. So on the last car I had, I disabled the daytime running lights so that it wasn't running my expensive nice LED headlights. So that's why you want to disable them. Okay, now we're going to test out our fog lamp staying on with the high beams. So I'm just going to turn the headlights on, and you can see that I upgraded the headlights to LED on one side. So here's the high beam. Now I'm going to turn the fog lamps on. There's the fog lamp on. That's high beam. Low beam, fog lamp still on. High beam, fog lamp still on. So we successfully modified the wiring. And this is on the low beams. That's the high beams. So also did a modification. See, I just turned on the fog lamps. I'll flick on the high beams and the fog lamps stay on with the high beams. And I can independently turn off the fog lamps with the high beams. See, I'm still on the high beam. Fog lamps off, fog lamps on. And all the lights on. We call it Bambi mode. If you like my DIY content, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.